Hello folks, we're back with the next video where we are going to do the problem number 12. As I told you, the nature of the problem is the same like what we did in the previous questions. They give us a curve and they give us a slope of the tangent. They ask us to find the equation of the tangent. It's the same thing. They give us a curve y equal to 1 by 1 by x squared minus 2x plus 3, and they give us the slope of the tangent is 0. We can also go through the question. What does it say? Find the equation of all the lines having, maybe there are more lines, having slope 0, and what happens, the slope is 0 and which is tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x squared minus 2x plus 3. See, the problems that we took up like in succession, 10th problem had two equations, 11th problem did not have a single equation. Now we don't know 12th what it's going to happen, whether how many is it going to have. Let's check. Okay, so as usual, no, we have learned by now that moment y is given, we should find dy by dx. Only then we are able to do anything about it. So let's go on to find the dy by dx. dy by dx. So before that, we will understand this function. It is x squared minus 2x plus 3 raised to minus 1. And we have learned that when we find the derivative, we'll find first the derivative of the exponent and then the derivative of the base. So that way, when we find the derivative, it is dy by dx becoming minus 1 x squared minus 2x plus 3 raised to minus 2. Yeah, that's how you get nx raised to n minus 1. Now the derivative of the base, derivative of x squared, it is 2x. Derivative of minus 2x, minus 2 as it is, derivative of x is 1. So that's minus 2. 3 does not have a derivative. So overall derivative of the base is 2x minus 2. Also, it's given that the slope of the tangent is 0. We all know that slope of the tangent is dy by dx. That means indirectly dy by dx is 0, and dy by dx for us, it is minus 1 by x squared minus 2x plus 3 the whole squared. Numerator, if you want, you can take the 2 out, 2 times x minus 1. Yeah, if you're observant, you know that 2 is common, you can take it out. 2 times x minus 1 is actually equal to 0. The 0 way. All right, so because it is 0 there, let's take this term on the other side. When it goes there, it gets multiplied and becomes 0. So it's like minus 2 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Why it is like that? Because this has gone on the other side, got multiplied and becomes 0. Now minus 2 also. Minus 2 is a multiplying factor. Let it go on the other side, it will get divided and that way it will go off. Become 0. So finally you are left with x minus 1 equal to 0. So you are left with x minus 1 to be equal to 0. So that gives the x value as 1. Here we've got only one value of x. So like as I was telling, no, the 10th problem we had two values of x, so we had two equations of tangents. In the 11th problem we did not have a single value, so we did not have a tangent at all. Now here we are having one value, so we'll have one tangent. Okay. So for x equal to 1, let's find out the y value. Therefore, y will be 1 by 1 squared minus 2 into 1 plus 3. Let's see how much that comes to. 1 minus 2 plus 3. 4 minus 2, 2 half. Yeah, it's coming to half. So for the point is 1 comma half. So the tangent, therefore, the tangent is at point 1 comma half with slope 0. Therefore, its equation is, as we know, y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. So let's see what that equation is. Y minus y1. So then that way it will be y minus half equal to 0 times x minus 1. Now 0 times x minus 1, 0 into anything is 0. So you actually don't need to consider this side, it becomes 0. You're getting now, therefore 0 minus half as 0. That's the equation. If you want, you can do minor modifications there. As before, you can have this multiplied by 2. So it will become 2y minus 1 whole by 2 equal to 0. Then the 2 can go on the other side. So 2y minus 0 into 2 can become 0. That's all. This is also correct, but maybe you can make it more simplified. So this is the required equation, or rather the equation of the tangent. 2y minus 1 equal to 0, or rather y minus half equal to 0. Y minus half equal to 0 is not the most simplified form. Get it simplified, and this is how it is. So as I always tell you, please popularize the channel amongst your friends. Try to share it to maximum, and we'll try getting more subscribers and all that, and that's how the channel becomes popular. Thank you.